This year's UK Mechanical Keyboards meetup was held in Birmingham in a really quirky little bar called Tilt. So as well as selling really nice craft beer and specialty coffee, they also had a pretty impressive collection of pinball machines. It turned out to be a really cool location for the meetup, and I think everyone had a great time. I got to speak to quite a few of the UK specific vendors whose links I'll put in the description, and overall I think the turnout was around 50 people, which is a massive increase from the first meetup that we held in London, which maybe had about 20 people. Big thanks to Matt and Will for organising the event, and thanks to all the vendors that donated things to be given away, especially to Pexon, who gave away 3 cables for Best in Show keyboards, and to Mechboards, who gave away an entire assembled keyboard. Enjoy the footage, and if you are in the UK, hopefully see you next time.
Hi, my name is Matt. I run the website Mechbox. It's a website that kind of sells sort of keycaps and customization type stuff, sort of some other switch sampling type things. And I'm here at the UK Mechanical Keyboard Meetup 2017. We're in Birmingham. Lots of people here. I think there's around 40, 50 of us. Quite a large number. A lot of great boards, having a good fiddle, a lot of good giveaways. Yeah, really great time.
So what's your name?
Rory. I'm the designer of the UK 78 keyboard, which is mechanical, 60% plus number pads.
What's up guys, my name is Joe, I run UK Keycaps and Meetup. UK Keycaps is a UK based web store. We've got a lot of stuff there right now. GMK Monthly Dust is on there. We've got Gatron switches, we've got Devlin key sets, all sorts of stuff. And there's Meetup as well, which is my group bar website. You can find Max Keycaps down there right now, and other things coming soon, such as Devlin Penine, QS set, and also more stuff from the classic for maybe round 2. So check it out.
Hi, I'm Ben. And I'm David. Together we are Mechboards. I'm the sort of back end, Dave's the front end. Yeah, I try and be the front end. If you're ever in Discord, you see him posting, that's Dave. If you ever order anything that comes late, that's me. Yeah, we built Mechboards a few years ago, we've grown since then. We're trying to run it full time now, so if you ever need any kind of support, please come to us. I will starve if you don't buy things from us. Not trying to guilt trip you, but we're here at Meetup Keyboard Meetup 2.0, and it's great. Yeah.
So number 7. Number 7. Well, that's me, so no. So giving away this lovely wall.
Don't worry, next bit, handmade mahogany case. You don't get the keycaps with it, it's part of my set, but I just want to give something back to the community. You'll be brilliant. Nice. What's wrong?
Full marks for handwriting.